We are at 2618 Hidden Estate Circle. This is in Navarre off of East Bay Blvd, also known as 399. We are entering in through the front door. You can see we have a nice open living area. We have vaulted ceilings here. We have fireplace as our focal point here. Sliding glass door to the backyard and patio. There's our backyard. Now if we turn to the left, you'll see our kitchen and dining area. We have a nice large dining area and we have a bar top in our kitchen. You can see our laundry room just off the front door there. We're gonna go into the master suite first. So this is on the right of the living room. So here's that master suite. Nice large space here, and we do have our ensuite with our walk-in closet. So we'll head in there now. We have a nice double vanity and a garden soaking tub. We have our separate commode area. And then at the back we have our walk-in closet. Heading back out now. We do have a storage closet behind our main door here. So we're gonna go out to the other side of the home now. We're gonna cross the living area. We'll come to a short hallway, which includes our 2 guest bedrooms and bathroom. Here's that first bedroom. So this faces the left of the house. There's our closet. Continuing down the hallway, we'll come to our bathroom with a nice oversized vanity, tub shower combo. And then here's our third bedroom. This faces the front of the home. So we have nice large windows, nice closet space. Heading back out now, we'll take you to the laundry room and the garage. So we're going through the living area. Here is our laundry room. And then we have our 2-car garage. We do have some extra storage space available in here. So that's a nice feature as well. Heading back inside. Again, this is 2618 Hidden Estate Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.